Is your Skoda Yeti's alarm system driving you crazy with false alarms? You're not alone. The most common causes are the interior motion sensor, the bonnet switch, and a weak battery. Let's break it down. The interior motion sensor can be overly sensitive, triggering from vibrations, pet hair, or even electrical interference. The bonnet switch, designed to detect unauthorized hood openings, often fails due to corrosion or misalignment, especially in older models. Finally, a failing battery can cause all sorts of electrical gremlins, including random alarm activations. Identifying the root cause is the first step to fixing the issue. For the interior motion sensor, start by cleaning it thoroughly with a vacuum to remove dust or debris that might cause false triggers. Then consider recalibrating the sensor using a diagnostic tool like Carista or OB11 to reset its sensitivity. If cleaning and recalibration don't resolve the issue, sensor replacement may be necessary. For the bonnet switch, first inspect it carefully for any signs of corrosion on the contacts. Clean the contacts thoroughly or replace the switch entirely if damaged. To prevent future issues, especially in humid climates, apply silicone sealant around the switch area. For battery-related issues, have your battery professionally tested to check its health and voltage. If the battery is weak, replace it with a high-quality option like a Bosch S4 to ensure reliable power. After any of these fixes, an ECU reset may be required. This can be done by a local mechanic or using a diagnostic tool.